Amazon gives sellers tons of tools to boost conversions, but one stand above the rest: premium A plus content. It's basically your own mini website inside your Amazon listing, not just product information. An interactive page that grabs attention, tells your brand story, and makes shoppers think, yeah, I'm buying this. But here's the catch: 4 out of 5 sellers don't even have access to it yet. But don't panic. I'll walk you through every module inside Premium A Plus content, show you what's worth your time and what's just shiny junk pretending to help conversions. There are 19 Premium A Plus modules in total. But here's the twist: only 7 or 8 are actually worth your time. The rest? Only for digital decorations. To get there, just click the hamburger menu, go to advertising, and then A plus content manager. If you see the premium section after hitting start creating A plus content, congrats, you got the access. If not, don't panic. You just need to do two things. First, add brand story modules to every single live listing. Super simple. I have got a full video on that, link at the end. And second, get at least 15 basic A plus content application approved. Doesn't matter if it's for one product, you can tweak and resubmit the same one until you hit 15. Yeah, it's take a bit of work, but that is your key to unlock premium A plus content. Alright, let's jump into the actual modules. When you hit add modules, you will see the full list of premium A plus options. And trust me, there's a lot more than in regular A plus content. And the biggest difference? Premium A Plus is mobile optimized. You actually get to design the desktop and mobile versions separately, which is huge because they often look totally different. Now, let's break down the modules: what they do, which ones are worth your time, and which ones you can skip. First up is premium background image with text. Basically, it's just one big image where you can drop some text on top using Amazon's default formatting. Sounds fancy, but it's not. You can't really control the text style. It's whatever Amazon gives you. So, unless you have zero design options, skip it. You are better off designing that text inside the image itself. There are much better modules later on for single image layout. Next up is Premium Comparison Table 1. And this one's is a gem. You definitely want to use it. It's basically the upgraded version of the old comparison table from the regular plus content. It lets shoppers scroll sideways and see your other products with an add to cart button right there. That's crazy powerful. It's like having free sponsored ad for your own product inside your listing. So yeah, don't skip this one. And this is exactly why launching more product helps you grow faster. You can cross promote them like a pro using tools like this. Next, we have got Premium Comparison Table 2 and 3. These are slightly different version of the same idea. They don't have the add to cart button, which is a kind of bummer, but they do look great on mobile. I'd still stick to the table 1. It's bigger, bolder, and that add to cart button is a game changer. But if your goal is to show clear features comparisons or help shoppers understand the product variations at a glance, then table 3 does the job nicely. It keeps things clean, visual, and easy to follow without cluttering the page. Next, we have got premium dual image with text. And honestly, this one snows. Some goes for the next one with 4 images and text. They feel like leftovers from the old A plus content days. Skip. They don't really take advantage of what Premium A Plus is all about: visuals, motion, and interactive content. Only use this if your product is super technical and you need to explain a lot through text. Then there's Premium Full Image. Now, this one actually useful. It's clean, bold, and perfect for showing off a single strong visual. We use this one a lot in our Premium A Plus content design. Just note, if you have got a ton of rich visuals, another modules coming up that lets you do the same thing but with more content flexibility. Next, premium full video. This one is a must if you have got video asset. It looks amazing on both mobile and desktop, and when shoppers click, it opens a player right inside your listing. Super smooth and super effective. And finally, Premium Hotspot 1. Now, this one's fun. On desktop, it's hover over little dots to reveal different features, super interactive, and on mobile, it flips into a sweep style experience where each feature gets its own image and text. It's engaging on both devices. So yeah, this one's definitely worth using. Next, we have got Premium Hotspot 2. Basically Hotspot 1 with a little twist. It adds a text feature at the top and, like before, shows differently on mobile and desktop. A small change, but can be handy if you want that extra context. Then there's Premium Navigation Carousel. Think of it like a mini website inside your listing. It has a navigation bar on top plus image with text below. It's great for packing a lot of info into one module, but I have got another favorite coming up that does it even better. Finally, Premium Q&A. This one's a secret weapon. It helps prevent negative reviews before they even happen. By answering common questions and addressing why people might return your product, you guide buyers to the right expectations. Less confusions, fewer bad reviews, and your overall rating stays strong. These modules pay itself in trust. Next up, Premium Resume Carousel. This one's really cool. Click on each section and the image switch with text. I actually like this one more than the navigation carousel we talked about before because all your options are right there and front centered. Perfect for showing different features, benefit, or cases of your product or brand. Then there's Premium Simple Image Carousel. This one's simple but powerful. You can pack multiple images into one module. 6 images? No problem. On desktop, you click the arrow and on mobile, you just swap it. If you have got a lot of visuals, then this is clean, easy way to show them. Then, Premium Technical Specification. Skip it until your product is super technical and niche. Most of you won't need it. And next up is Premium Single Image with Text. Ignore this one too. Too text heavy, focus on visuals and videos. And next is Premium Text. Yeah, just skip it. No brand needs this, and you only have 7 slots, so waste of space. And for now, Premium Video Image Carousel. Useful if you want to pack multiple videos in one module. Premium Video with Text is also optional. You could use it, but usually just the Premium Full Video module works better. And that's it. Every module in Premium A Plus content, how to get access, and which one to focus on and which one to ignore. Now, I think you understand that. Still, if you get confused or have some question, write down it on the comment below. Tell me what's your biggest fear making A Plus content. We Ecomclips can help you with that. Mail us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So, that's all for today. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.